Windows channel, and this is the announcement of a new build of Windows 10. Preview build 17127 is available for FastRing, and it is been released about 10 minutes ago, of course, by Donald Sarkar and the Insider team. So installing it right now. I will be, of course, doing my usual look and review a little later today. So that's going to be interesting. Apparently there's some Cortana improvements, a few little things that have changed. And for those that are waiting for my skip ahead, just to make sure, because some people say, hey, why don't you do the skip ahead? I'm going to do the skip ahead this afternoon, look and review, but only on the Insider channel. I'm keeping the skip ahead only for the insiders. So if you are on this channel and want to learn more about, for example, the skip ahead stuff, go to my Insider channel. That's where I will be posting that information. So, of course, my quick look and review coming later today will be, I am installing it right now, build 17127 for FastRing. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.